Well. If you want something bigger, you need to face your fear and cut through your fears. And for cutting, you need a knife. So let us see what Blender has to offer in the area of knife. For that to happen, we have to go from object mode to edit mode. You can either tab on your keyboard, and then here is the vertex mode, edge mode, face mode. You can use 1 2 3 on your keyboard to access them. And today the tool is knife. It does as the name says, it cuts. If I click here and then click here and then click here and then click here and click somewhere else and hit enter, it will create a cut. Let me show you. By Alt A I can deselect. This is how the cut was done. Now there is one more thing, that if I click and drag and if I tap C for constraints, if I tap C on the keyboard, you will get constraints, these lines and 45-degree lines. You could either go on the top side or this side or this side or this side, this side, this side, this side, this side. So I will go towards this side, then I will go towards this side, I will go towards this side, I will go towards this side. Now I don't need this cursor, so once again tap C, it will go off, and just click over here and hit enter to apply the cut. We have applied the cut. Now sometimes there are requirements where we need to cut throughout the portion of the entire volume. So for that to happen, let me undo a couple of times. Yes, we have a wonderful thing here, and then I'm going to knife, and now we will knife the hell out of this thing. Click and drag and click, it will give you a line. But before doing anything, one more thing, now I have done a lot of mistakes. I don't want this to accept on it, I don't want it to accept. At that time I can press escape so that all those mistakes will be removed. So click and drag a line and tap Z and click. Now the line will be going throughout. This is how you can get a cut which is facing from all sides, which is from all sides in short. And now these shortcuts are a bit tedious to memorize, so you can see in this status bar. In the status bar you can find all the shortcuts and all the requirements, like click and click. You have got the option of C for straight angle. If I tap C, I can get a straight angle. If I tap Z for cut off, cut through. Like if I click here and then here and then here and then here and enter, it's going to cut through the faces. Isn't it great? It's awesome. It's a lot awesome than I can think of. One more small tip I want to give you. If you click on the knife and hold Control, it is going to snap to the midpoint of this line. Wherever I put it, it's going to snap to the midpoint of any line I am taking my mouse over. It's how it works, and it becomes green as well to show that I have selected the midpoint of the line. And if you click it, The line will be accepted and you hit enter to accept it. So that's it guys, this was the knife to cut through your fears. So if you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and if you want you can leave a wonderful comment for me. And if you want to wholeheartedly support me, Patreon is the page to go where you can find the links and support me and this channel. Until then, see it, try it and understand it. I will meet you in the next video.